want to show you the difference that happens between putting the Colourtone Ultra on and putting the clear on top. So on this end of the sample I've got dark oak, light oak and slate, just to give a broad band of colours. First of all, I'll apply dark oak. Now this time we're working on oak. We have done other demonstrations on softwood. Whatever timber you use will give a different result with the colours, because the wood colour itself will affect it. Dark oak is probably our biggest selling product, although it's closely followed by spruce. I'll take the slate. When we start with the slate on oak, it looks quite grey. You'll see once I cloth it back, the warmth of the oak will start to transform the finish. And finally, for the middle board, I've got light oak. Now if you can see already at this end, there's hardly any difference. Where this one will get used most is in places like orangeries, conservatories, sunrooms. It doesn't alter the colour of the oak very much at all, but what it does do, because of the pigments, it adds UV resistance, which stops the timber itself bleaching in the sun. So if you want to keep your wood looking good, this quite often can be the way to do it. Okay, again, take a cloth and cloth off the excess. This will be dry for overcoating anywhere between 3 and 6 hours. Again, it does depend on the weather. It can dry much quicker on a nice warm day, but on a cold day it will dry much slower. Those are the 3 colours, but there's 11 in the range, and sample of pots, as I say, available everywhere. If I just smooth the boards down slightly, you'll see the 3 colours dry. They were done yesterday afternoon. Here I'm using hard wax oil soft satin. And simply roll on 2 coats. No need to remove the excess of the hard wax oil. You'll see orange peel marks, bubbles, and within a few minutes they will all disappear.